Hello students, we are going to start the first chapter of mathematics, that is number system. So what are natural numbers? The counting numbers are called natural numbers, that is the numbers starting from 1. We all know that numbers can be expressed in figures as well as in words. When we are writing a number in figures, it's known as rotation, and writing a number in words is called numeration. Hindu-Arabic system of writing numbers. So in Hindu-Arabic system, there are 10 symbols used, that is from 0 to 9, to represent a number. And each symbols are known as digits. When a group of digit is written together, it forms a number and hence it's known as a numeral. Indian number system. The Indian number system is divided into two things, that is periods and places. Now, starting from the right hand side, you can see what are the periods, that is ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. Under ones period, we can see three divisions or three places, that is ones or units, tens, hundreds. Under thousands period, there is two places, thousands, 10,000s. Under lakhs, there are two divisions or two places, that is lakhs, 10 lakhs. And under crores, there are two divisions, that is crores and 10 crores. Generally, this places or this periods will help us in putting a gap between each number or inserting commas in this number so that we can understand the place value of the number much more easily. So when we are inserting commas, we'll start from the right hand side. So let us start from the ones place. So ones, tens, 100. One period is over, we'll put a comma. 1000, 10,000. Now after every two intervals, we'll be putting comma. That is 1, 2, again a comma, and 7. For the second one, we'll start with ones again. So ones, tens, 100, put a comma. 1000, 10,000, put a comma. Lakhs, 10 lakhs, put a comma. And 9. I hope you have understood this. Now, the numerals which we have written in the previous slide has been written here in words. So we can see here very clearly that place value of each number. So the first one is, if we start from the right hand side, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So we can write the number names as 7 lakh, 15,496. Second one, again, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and 9 is in crores. So we can write it as 9 crores, 6 lakh, 24,078. Third one, if I show you the period in terms of period, so this 3 is from ones period, this is from thousands period, and this is from lakhs period. So we'll write the number to be 23 lakhs 74,186. Next, talking about the face value of a digit in a numeral. Generally, the face value of a digit is the digit itself. For example, in this, I have given you a numeral, say 83946. If I asked you to find the face value of 6, it is 6 itself. Face value of 4 is 4 itself. Face value of 9 is 9 itself. So we can see that the face value of the digit is the digit itself. Now let's talk about the place value of a digit in a numeral. So the place value of a digit is generally the face value of the digit into the value of the place. That is, we will just find out the place value of each number, like 5 is ones place, 3 tens, 4 is 100, 0 is 1000, 9 10,000, 6 lakh, and 2 10 lakh. We'll simply put the value and the face value of the number and multiply with the value of the place. That is, 2 is in tens lakhs place, so we'll multiply it with 10 lakh, plus 6 is in lakhs place, so we'll multiply it with 1 lakh, plus 9 is in 10,000 place, so we have multiplied it with 10,000. 0 is in thousands place, so anything multiplied with 0 is 0, so we have written 0. 4 is in hundreds place, so we have written 4 into 100. 3 is in tens place, so we have written 3 into 10. And 5 in ones place is 5 into 1. This is also known as the expanded form.